Fisherman Fireworks.
Hi everyone, this is Alina from Fisherman Fireworks.
Yesterday we went and introduced our 4th of July fireworks show station part 1.
So today, let us introduce part 2.
Okay, the first one is 200 gram cake. This cake, the name is Top Dog. And as you can see, our cake, the artwork is a very cute dog. This cake is 18 shots. And the main performance is crackling, dragon egg, and plum, and the willow. For 200 gram cake, this cake in fact is very great. And do you like this one?
Yeah, I like this one very much.
Yes, I very like this one.
The last one is Let Mail. When you see the picture, do you will make a light meal in your sleeping time? It's also 200 gram cake, 25 shoes. The main performance: willow, brocade crown, and the crackling chrysanthemum with tan ringtail. The last one is Let Mail Brother cake, Superman, 25 shoes. The main performance is coconut, crackling, whistling, and silver fish. The last one is the animal. It's also Let Mail Brother cake, 25 shoes. The main performance is crackling and colorful wave. If you want to buy some fireworks, the one set is a good choice. Whether you shoot one by one or together, the effect is very nice.
Yes, this set introduced by Elena. The effect is very nice. And I can't wait to see our 4th of July fireworks shows. And now also we have other set of great cake. And let me just introduce those cake one by one. The first one is the white horse. This one cake is 16 short, and the main performance is the crackling and the colorful tail. The second one is the caution danger, and this one is also 16 short. The main performance is the glitter, dahlia, and the crackling, and the colorful tail. The third one is the square, and also the 16 short. And the main performance is brocade crown, colorful tail, and sugar chrysanthemum. The fourth one is the twisted monkey, and also the 16 short. And the next one, the main performance is dahlia, glitter, colorful glitter, and the crackling. This one set of cake, the price is good, the effect is good, and I thought it's the best choice for your finale show.
The last one is Light It Up, 12 shoes. The main performance: dahlia and the crackling brocade cloud. This is a classic 200 gram cake. It's very hot sale every year in your market. You should get one for your 4th of July.
Okay, today all the 200 gram cake introduced already done. I can't wait to shoot them, and I'm really excited about our show. Are you want to enjoy this show together with us?
Come on, join us tonight on our Fisherman Fireworks Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Okay, thank you everyone.
See you next time. Bye bye.